Hello guys, it is my Animal Jam and we are having Night of the Phantoms right now and let's look at the phantoms. It's nice up there and looks very scary. There's a phantom by the Soul Arcade and there is a phantom by the furniture store, Jamart, and we have an alpha phantom right there by the clothing store, and there is a bat. Look how cool. And it says, bats are the only mammals that can fly. And we have another alpha phantom right there by the spooky tree, and there's a phantom right there, and we have an alpha phantom in the sign to the Temple of Zoles. We have another phantom right there, and an alpha phantom right on this rock. I mean, brown rocks. And there are gravestones. There is a phantom Vortex. There are so many jack-o'-lanterns. Cool. And the alpha phantoms. From the Return of the Alphas. They're so cute. And we're in the camera out back. There's a phantom. There's jack-o'-lanterns. There's another phantom. And another phantom right there. There's no pathway there. Neither on this one. But all we go is the crystal stands. There's ghosts. They're looking at the mouse pointer. And there. And not right now, Mommy. I'm just recording Animal Jam. They think the ghosts are looking at you. And you can move the mouse pointer left. And you point the mouse pointer to the left. And to the right. And go up. And go down. And sideways. Cool. They're just so... Look at their crazy eyes. and there's a bat and a phantom balloon. Woo! I went down the slide by accident. And we have spider web right there from Spider Zapper. Cool. Phantom Vortex. Cool. And we go to the Coral Caons. And jack-o'-lanterns over there. There's a phantom right there. Jack-o'-lanterns. And okay. And we have go there. And we can go to a pondle. There's a phantom vortex right there. And there is a phantom right there, and I can climb the tree now and see there's another phantom up there. But when I go down, I just saw the phantom's legs, and there's some baby ghostes looking at the mouse pointer. How cute. Oh, think that's a warthog. It's in the puddle. So, while not playing Animal Jam, I have grabbed a jar of Nutella, then I ate it with a spoon, then I was, when my mouth is full of Nutella, I was just drooling water, and the water drop comes from my mouth to my chin. Kids do that while sleeping, and also they eat Nutella just like me. How gross. Okay, so let's go to Sarteria Forest. There's two phantoms, a theater, another phantom, and a phantom Vortex. And we go to Mountain Shiver. There's a phantom. Okay. There's another phantom up there and a phantom Vortex. I can't hug the phantom, sadly, because I actually go into the vortex, and there's a spider web. Okay, and excuse me. There's another phantom right there, and I go to Bellow. Word of balloon. There's a phantom vortex, and the phantom from my adventures. Cute. And I go up there. There's a bat. There's another paw button. Let's see. Bat poop or guano makes accent plant fertilizer. I can't read the whole thing. There's another bat up there. Sadly, I can't click it. That's too bad. And there's a phantom vortex on the walk. Phantom pipe from the Avenger underwater. Some ghosties. A phantom from the Avengers is there. There is a cauldron, I guess. Oh, that's a coffin with the eyeball and a jack-o'-lantern. Cool. My back's itchy. Scratchy. Okay. Oh, there's a coffin right there. There's a bat. I can't click it. And there's a spider with a phantom eye on a pumpkin. And there is an alpha phantom. How cute is that? But if I go over there, what happens? I just saw the phantom's butt. Ha ha ha. It's shaking its butt. So don't know if I can hug the Alpha Phantom or not. So, that thing right there is its front. But that line from the back is his butt. I mean, that's the butt sides. Last year I loved phantoms too much. It makes my heart feel adorable. And if I go in the Phantom Vortex, look what happens. Here I am. Yep. And there's a shop now because of the 2021 New Year. Cool. And there's a game called Phantoms. I'm not going to play it right now, but it's supposed to say Light in the Dark, and there's a venture called Bittersweet, is for pets only. But there is no phantoms, but sadly, if I go in the water, see, there is no Halloween decorations, phantoms, adventure phantoms, or alpha phantoms. Nothing in the water. Just classic. And that's it. And I hope you guys, thanks for watching. You gotta like, subscribe in the red button, that's the white text that says subscribe, and then you comment down below in this video, and a goodbye. Okay, bye, Jammers.